In this video, we are going to see how to hide events and associated lots after it closes. Step 1. Check Hidden When Closed field. So, while creating or editing an event, check the Hidden When Closed field and save your changes. Step 2. Verify visibility to users. Since this event is already closed, let's check whether it's visible to users. Here I have logged in with another user, and we will check that event in the closed auctions list. As we can see, the event is not visible, and also not visible by direct URL. Step 3. Visibility to admin, listing owner, and winners only. Now the listing is hidden and only the admin and the listing owner can view the event and lots. Winners can also view the lot that they have won. So here I have logged in with that winning bidder. And we'll open the won page to check whether the lot is visible. As we can see, the lot is visible to the winning bidder, but other lots are not visible.